you're trying to get a remote job in Canada but looking on LinkedIn or Indeed, it is not going to work out. It's like winning a F1 using your go-kart. Yes, you will move forward, but you will never win. So in this video, I'll break down what roles to look for and where exactly you can find these remote jobs in 2026. Jobs you can do at night, on the weekend, and some of them actually pays in USD. So let's dive in. See, with the rising cost and being stuck in traffic, having a remote job is not just a want, it's a need. And that's exactly why it is getting harder and harder every single day. Because if you look on LinkedIn, thousands of people are applying to remote jobs within few hours. It's absolutely insane. But did you know what was the hiring percentage of LinkedIn in 2025? 1.3%. It is absolutely insane. And that's why you need to focus on other websites that are specifically built for remote jobs. Now, to make it simple for you, I have built a system and divided it into 4 parts. Number 1, what roles can you target based on your experience? So if you're someone with 0 to 3 years of experience, these are the job titles and remote opportunities that you can look for right now. Some of these roles that are very hot right now are CCTV monitor, which can be done at night. After hours content publisher, a lot of companies are hiring for this specific role. And virtual property manager or assistant. With the rise of Airbnb, this role is skyrocketed. But this was for people who have less experience. If you have some experience in admin, customer domain, or marketing, then roles like these are something that you should keep an eye on. And some of my favorite are email campaign manager, CRM and bookkeeper. These people are actually printing money right now. And website content migration. With the rise of social media, a lot of small, medium-sized businesses do require this. Now that you know what kind of roles are out there for remote opportunities, let's talk about where can you find these roles and the websites to use. Now, if you look for remote job just by typing on Google remote job opportunities, you're never gonna get it, all right? Simply, if you have less experience, go to websites like Daily Remote and Eluta. If you have 1 to 3 years of experience, go to websites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, Just Remote, and Jobspresso. And if you have 5+ years of experience, then Working Nomads, Wellfound.com, and Remote 100K is the place for you. Literally, Remote 100K, a place where you will only find roles that are paying you in 6 figures. You know, when I was job hunting in my initial days, I always used to run towards big companies, right? Google, Facebook, Microsoft. But companies that are listed on Wellfound, I actually found out they are paying much better. They have many more facilities. They have many more benefits. And majority of them are remote roles. So definitely keep an eye on this website. But so far in this video, you have gathered the woods. But if you don't know how to light the fire, you will never be able to eat. So phase 3 is where I will give you the exact toolkit that you need to get that remote job, for which you need these 3 things. Number 1, a strong ATS resume in a 1-page format. Simply download this using the link below. Over 100,000 people have used it and landed multiple job offers. Now, when you will be editing your resume using a template like this, make sure to clearly showcase that how you can work independently and how you have used all sort of software that they are looking for. So make sure you mention all the required softwares like Slack or Power BI, Excel, SAP, whatever they're looking for. Make sure to get yourself trained and add in your resume. Second is a simple portfolio. Yes, doesn't matter if you're in tech or non-tech world, you would require it now, because in starting 2026, portfolios are something that gives you an upper hand and makes you stand out among thousands of other applicants. So it doesn't matter even if you're targeting customer or admin roles, have a clean portfolio. You know, using website like Notion or Lovable, you'll be able to build it in no time, but this will make you look professional. And third, you need a strong LinkedIn presence. See, you don't have to be an influencer, but you do need to look legit, because companies, mainly in remote roles, they actually do a very thorough background check. And LinkedIn plays a big role in that. And if you're not sure how to optimize your LinkedIn, just go and watch this video and you'll be able to understand how to take your LinkedIn from 0 to 10 in no time. So all these things, you can either do it by yourself, or if you require a professional to help you one-on-one until you get that job offer, you can also check out our job hunt community, where we have helped thousands of people to get their field job in no time. It's a one-on-one support until you land a job offer. And if you're interested, go book a call with our team, see if you're eligible for our job hunt community. And if yes, we'll be more than happy to guide you further. So now that we have all the info, what kind of roles, where to look, and what you need to start applying for these roles, let's make a simple roadmap for you that you can follow step by step for the next couple of weeks. Step number 1, do a thorough skill audit check, for which go to a website like this, where you can take career aptitude test and understand your strengths and weaknesses for absolutely free. This will also tell you the kind of roles you can target and where you can find them. Second, Make sure you update all your documentation, portfolio, and keep it in one place. Having a strong resume and a portfolio will put you ahead of 90% of applicants. Step number 3, pick any 3 platforms that we talked about in this video and do quality application, which is 10 jobs, 10 LinkedIn connection, and 10 cold emails. Don't focus on hundreds of job application. You need to focus on quality over quantity. This exact formula have gotten us multiple referrals, interviews, and job offers within a couple of weeks inside our job and community. And guys, how can I be so sure that this works? Because we have hundreds of evidence of people using it. They come in, we fix their resume, we fix their LinkedIn, we give them all the strategies, and the moment they start using them every single day consistently for the next couple of weeks, they start getting results. See, having all these things is one thing, but if you don't take action, nothing will work. And guys, here's the thing. Don't just watch this video. Take action. I know the job market is crazy. People are struggling, but there are people who are still getting job offers every single day just because they are using better websites and better resources. So go watch this video again, fix your resources, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to guide you further. And I'll see you guys in the next one.